everyone to the Nautilus Submarinium. I am Dr. Samuel Finnegan, Chief Petty Officer and Marine Veterinarian for the Nautilus. We're almost ready to get going, but first, a very quick dive briefing from our very own Captain Nemo. No glasses needed for this one. Bless you, Michael.
Once upon a time, the Nautilus submarine traversed the 7 seas, encountering wonders beyond comprehension. We traveled 20,000 leagues and beyond, from the bone-chilling waters of the Antarctic to the lost civilization of Atlantis. Discovery! Today, a new chapter begins right here. I, your humble Captain Nemo, have formed the Nautilus Submarinium, an institute to advance man's understanding of the ocean's briny mysteries. Together, we embark on a mission of exploration in the name of science. Who knows? Today's voyage could lead us to discover creatures never before seen by human eyes. Prehistoric monsters big enough to swallow us whole. Wouldn't that be exciting? Ending up as an appetizer for a gargantuan grouper, mammoth mahi-mahi, colossal cod, humongous haddock, discovery! Our journey will be more productive than ever thanks to the ship's technological upgrades. Unplanned capsizing and sudden violent decompressions are a thing of the past. Mostly. My top team of engineers has worked around the clock to create an unbreakable hull for the ship. We also upgraded the crew. Echo and Torque are 2 mechanical assistants, assembled from spare equipment and whirligigs and doodads and all that stuff. We have created technologies that allow us to talk to some of the sea creatures. As a matter of fact, dolphins serve as our dive chiefs. And then there is Petty Officer D, an injured pufferfish from the Indian Ocean we rehabilitated. Augmented with communication, navigation, and scientific equipment, he can even remotely control the Nautilus. The little fellow shows promise, but is still getting his fins wet. So, let us set sail with courage and curiosity, for every adventure is an opportunity for growth. Never be afraid of discovery!
All right, sailors, once again, we do ask that you keep your mask up and above your face and your nose while in the building, and thank you so much for your cooperation in advance. And do be warned, the Nautilus features loud sudden noises, bright flashing lights, long-winded hosts, and the spray of the sea in your face. You will more than likely get a little wet. So watch your step on the way in. Grand adventures away. Welcome to the Nautilus, everyone.
How many do you have? Is it
Just one?
On the way in, we have every other row closed off. This is to encourage safe social distancing. Yes, sir. True adventurers right in the front. Love it. Should you be the lead at any time, for any reason, if the adventure gets to be too much for you, you can get out through these doors right here on the starboard side. But be aware, those doors will close, lock, and you'll miss the rest of the show. This would be a good time to put those glasses on. You picked up on the way in?
Yes, some kind of passenger safety.
I won't cut you off. All right.
This is Captain Nemo speaking. Our mission for this dive is to continue exploring the mysteries of the deep and to capture photographs of particular marine creatures. Perhaps even the prehistoric megalodon. Ha-ha! Discovery! Retract the forward window shield, activate the force field, and prepare to dive! Here we go!
have to get a volunteer. Hey, who's that on the sign over there? I know that guy. Hey, Deke! Come on up to the front.
Hello, here I am.
This is Deke, everyone. Let's all say holy.
Hello.
Officer D, we are entrusting you to lead this dive.
Oh, see, here's the thing about that. I've never actually done that.
You have control of the ship. Take us to the Caribbean reefs.
If you say so, Captain. All right, everyone, hold on. I think I know what I'm doing. We're about to find out, aren't we? Wheel to the left. Okay, that's my ball. Okay, I get back to the don't worry, I got this. Listening.
That was a perfect execution of the whole strength test. Well done.
Thank you very much, Captain. And hello, all you bright, shiny, wonderful new faces. So, absolutely must come in and get a closer look. Hold on, just give me just a second. Yep, that's a closer look. Hello, everyone. As you may or may not have heard, my name is...
Officer D,
There.
let's not forget we have a megalodon to we have a mission to fulfill. Discovery!
Ah, yes, the mission to take photographs of marine wildlife. Oh, this is my good friend, Mr. Ray Charles. You like that, didn't you? All right, Mr. Charles, we're on a mission to take photos. Oh, that's right, mantas don't speak English. They speak with electro-communication, so I will attempt to communicate. Where's the electro-communication button in my helmet? Ah, there it is. There I am! All right, let's see if that worked. Yes, he says it's quite all right if we take this photograph. And what's that? About 3 minutes in, mission accomplished. Thank you very much for your money. Time to go home. See you later, Charles. What's that? Oh really? Just getting started. That actually makes a lot more sense. Thank you very much, Echo. Echo is a robot that finds places for us to go, and coincidentally has done just that. So, now we get this thing started. Ah, yes. There's a button over here. Whoever's by that button, give it a good push.
Good job.
Hey, that's okay.
Maybe not so.
Okay. There's the red. Okay, oh wait, there's another one over there. How about the yellow one?
Try that one.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, that was the same thing,
Not
wasn't
that
it? Oh, obviously this one over here.
Maybe the blue one. No, I understand your reservations. Good job.
Wait, you've done it! Good job, Blue Button Pusher! Give it a round of applause! Excellent! We'll see what's wrong with the other side over there. You don't have time for that, no?
Narwhal? Sea lions?
Sea lion?
Firewall?
Yeah, that was my
Check
bad.
the cameras, please.
I will do that.
While we wait,
Be obvious.
let's see what's up on the ice. Whoa! Could it be the towering and ferocious abominable snowman? Yes, I see it now. With its black wings and orange beak. Wait a minute! This is just a penguin. Discovery.
We ought to let the captain out of his room more often. I know, right? Ooh, look, everyone, it's an orca whale, among the most intelligent marine creatures ever encountered, and star of the 1978 film Orca, starring Bo Derek and Richard Harris.
Even more ferocious than the mighty great white.
Yes,
See if
exactly.
you can see what this guy's name is.
All right, let me attempt to make direct contact. Give me a moment here. I speak Welsh. Hi. Really? Is that your real name? Apparently that was the great Whaley Nelson. Whaley Nelson. All right, where to next, Finnegan?
Next on our journey is the Mariana Trench. It's the deepest and darkest chasm there is right here on planet Earth.
Wait, did you just say the deepest and the darkest chasm on the planet Earth?
Maybe we'll run into more celebrities.
All right, well, hit that blue button to get us moving, please.
Good job.
Excellent
pieces and all.
I'm getting word in my helmet we have fixed the other buttons. Give those a push.
Try it out. Try it out.
Yeah.
Good job. But I'd still be careful with it.
I don't use that.
Hey.
That was worse than the first time.
That's a bioluminescent sea devil anglerfish.
Oh, but what's that little dealy ball on his forehead?
Oh, that's called an esca. And they use that to find friends in the dark.
Oh,
Or lower grade.
friends, you say. All right. I will attempt to make contact. Hello, I also have a light up dealy bar. All right, let me get closer. See if that works. Wait a minute. What's that you said about calling friends?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope that that's the case, because here come an entire group. Oh, quite the dental bill in your family.
Like the night sky, filled with stars.
Getting something in the communication helmet. Oh, you'd like to have me for dinner? Wait a minute, what's the operative word there? That makes a big difference. Tell me what, I'll meet you there. Bye-bye. No, enough guys over for dinner. They're getting out of here. Captain, what you got?
An intriguing development.
Sit down, Martin.
You're in charge of this
Good
business.
job.
What do you suggest?
Well, I would suggest that in the spirit of discovery. Excuse me, we head home. Here we are. Look, there's Wild Bill, fastest fish in the sea.
Sales me money. Bill, when are you going to get that $5 to it?
Oh, you learned that guy money?
Yeah.
You're not getting that back. Alright, looks like, what do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's 2 shipwrecks that are close enough to go to, so I tell you what, Finnegan, is there anyone close enough to you that can yell out their name for me? I need some help here.
What's your name? Chloe?
Chloe is the most fantastic name that I have pretty much ever heard. Alright, Chloe, are you ready? Because I need your help. Okay, good job, Chloe. Alright, let me get back over here. And now, Chloe, it is your time to shine, because we can only visit one of said shipwrecks, because I have wasted at least 45 seconds of this show telling bad jokes. Would you like to go to the Chinese ship on this side, or to the Spanish ship on this side? Which way, Chloe?
Chinese junk especially.
The Chinese junk it is! Everyone give Chloe a big round of applause!
Thank you so much for helping us out.
And now for legal reasons, if anything goes wrong, remember, Chloe is the one who makes where we're going. Alright. Did that quite nicely. Alright, we can activate the mini camera. It's one of those buttons over there.
Good job.
That's right.
Oh.
That's right. I forgot to mark it. That's the side where it does
I gotta be
that.
careful though.
Wait a minute. The button was in my own helmet the entire time.
Okay.
Going in. Did I mention you just wait there? This show's going swimmingly. Alright. So far so good. What is that, a dragon made out of jelly?
No, that's some sort of emerald or jade. It's a symbol of nature, serenity, and good health.
So the jelly's on the inside.
Hey, take the box here in front of the sub. We're losing power. What do we do?
Hold on, we're about to find out if this dragon's made of jelly or not. Wow, that hurt. Alright, I'm on my way.
Get over here.
Hey, robots, listen up, do my job for me. We need to get some kind of power source. Excellent, yes, plug into the submarine. Alright, we need to find a source of heat. What a coincidence, we're located right next to these volcanic plains. That could have been way worse. Alright, land us there.
Is this stabilizing?
Hit those buttons. That's right, keep forgetting that side. Okay, wait a minute. This isn't good. Alright, see that chasm behind us? Oh, hey, buddy. We were just talking about you. All good stuff.
Excellent work. You've all saved the Nautilus.
Yes, Captain, it was all me. I pretty much saved the day. A little bit Chloe too, she helped. And then there's the other button pushers, but it was pretty much all me. I'm the greatest fish ever.
Dave, how you doing? That's something I don't see every day. What in the fine world of aquatic sports? Hey, I know this guy. That's Barry. He's being strawberry. Colossal squid. I'm friendly. He just needs to get out of the pipe. Captain hates that.
Barry, we've had like 8 talks about this. You gotta stop doing that, guy. Okay? Give us a pose, Barry. Oh, look, Barry made a heart with his tentacles. No, his tentacles.
Dean, we are ready to proceed.
Oh, Barry's got a hot tub down there.
I think we are ready to return to dock. This dive has been an incredible success.
He didn't get it.
Officer D, thanks to your exceptional performance,
That's it.
I hereby promote you
That's
to
it.
Dive Chief Lieutenant Commander.
I'm stunned and amazed. Hit the blue button to send us home.
Good job.
Excellent job. All right, now we can look at the photographs that we took along the way.
Three cheers all around for our party crew. Hip hip ahoy!
Good job, Chloe, and the other button pushers. Wait. Speaking of, just getting word in my helmet, we have fixed the leak. Test it out.
No.
I'm sorry, my fault.
Good work.
They have not fixed it.
Excellent work by all. You are now official Nautilus crewmen. Please join us for another dive very soon. And remember, every adventure is an opportunity for growth. So never be afraid of discovery.
Y'all got a fantastic voluntary crew. Thank you so much. Please come on back and see us real soon in your neighborhood. Also, do watch your step as you face it to the right. Just drop your glasses in that yellow basket on the way by. Make sure you know all of your belongings. Never stop exploring. Thank you so much for visiting. Beautiful.